All right, welcome back. An update on the restaurant. Remember last week we finished with I think 21,600 left in money because I spent the rest. If you follow me, you're gonna see I fixed the kitchen. We actually cleaned. It was so dirty. The people before here, I think they were trying to kill people with dirt and dust. We did an upgrade in the kitchen. This machine is to remove the smoke and the smell from the exhaust fan. It was outside, I moved it inside to be closer so it's more effective. I also added a speed variable timing for the exhaust fan to save electricity. That thing here cost me $1,000 to reinstall and do the upgrade. If you follow me here in the kitchen, the dishwashing area, I've wrapped the entire place. The reason why I wrapped it is because it's easy to clean after. It doesn't stick in paint or, you know, like water splashing everywhere. And the dishwashing machine is here. It's going to be installed. It was already here, so that's not an expense. This is why, one of the reasons why I did rent this place. A lot of equipment was already here. If you follow me, I've decided that I was not going to paint the restaurant. I was going to wrap the restaurant. I'm using like a wrap like this. You'll see my colors are black and blue, and these are stickers. And the reason is that the walls were not very perfect, and the place is going to be dark. So I could get away with a wrap without redoing all the walls to perfection to be like super flush or anything like that. Also washable. This is a restaurant, it's not my house, so people, it's a bar actually, bar restaurant. So people are gonna make it dirty, feet on the wall, probably some vomit somewhere, food on the wall, so it's easy to clean and wash. If you follow me here, you're gonna see some wrap. We're not finished yet, but it's pretty much what it looks like. If we go on the second floor, follow me. You see I did the stairs also in the wrap. It was just easier that way. Follow me, let's go. The wall here, big wrap as well with my logo. I like this a lot. And I think you can see part of the finished product up here. It's not completely finished yet. Let's go, let's go. So it's blue, black, and it's going to be blue on top as well. The reason why it's black is because I'm going to write the menu on it, the drink menu, like gin tonics, whiskey, and all this stuff. So the menu is going to be in the black. Follow me here. Let's go. And the room here, I think we can see part of what it's going to look like when it's finished. If you look at the wall in the back there, you see the blue on top there. The ceiling is going to stay white like this, so I think I'm very happy with the success. It's not finished, so it doesn't look perfect yet, and there's too much light later on when the restaurant is ready. I'm going to remove some of the lights to make it look darker. So, all right, let's go back downstairs. I'll show you the bar. One of the expenses I had this week was the tables. You can see the tabletops are here and the feet are there. I bought 30 of them at the cost of $12 each. They're secondhand, of course, so let's add that in the total of what I've spent. I also bought some bar chairs. They're all here around. I think I paid 700 NT, so let's say $22, $23 a pop. So there you go. The bar is not finished. It's going to be a sticker on the bottom there. It's going to be black with the logo of the place as well. Follow me behind the bar. The DJ station is here. It's not complete. I don't have the mixing board yet, but the computers are there, the screens are there, the DAC is there. I did spend a bit of money on this. I think I spent like $1,000 on all of this. It wasn't very expensive. I didn't buy a super computer because everything's running through the mixing board, so the sound card is already in there. And I also got in, I found some old amplifiers to play the music. I found in old Marantz. I think I paid maybe $150. And this was just an old amp I had in my house, like from 20 years ago, from a karaoke system that my wife enjoys. If you follow me here inside, coffee machine was already mine. It was free. I built a shelf for the liquor. It's gonna stack up here, and again, this is all gonna be black in the back. And now we're gonna put the lights on there. It's gonna be like a showpiece. And everything's gonna be black in the background, so the menu is gonna be on the walls again here and there. As you can see, I already began to bring in liquor in the restaurant. I'm stocking at the moment. I won't talk about stocking money. It's gonna be a different video because it doesn't really count as in building a restaurant. It counts as in stocking a restaurant, so a little bit different. So this should be finished, I think, by the end of next week. See, the bar is pretty cool. I've got all the shelves, all the doors, everything's done. I got the bar done for, okay, so about $5,000 for all the woodwork. All right, so anyway, that's that for now. We keep continuing to work in the restaurant, and I think we're almost there. Basically what I'm gonna do when I'm ready, I've got my other pizza place 5 doors next door, and I'm gonna move the rest of the ovens. The ovens, like a 3-door oven is coming with me, and all the refrigerators are coming with me, and then we're gonna finish building the kitchen there. So anyway, if you got any questions, let me know. I think the sofa chairs, I found some fantastic sofa chairs. They're coming next week. They're secondhand as well. I think I paid $10 a pop. It's not a lot of money. And I'll show you what it's gonna look like. See, now it's a little bit difficult to see the colors, but it's gonna be like the blue, and then you get the black and the blue, but all the sofas are like old leather colors, so it's gonna contrast and be a very nice 3D. Plus, less light, more dark, more intimate, and that's that for now. All right, anyway, catch you next time. Bye-bye.